Are you thinking about trying Erona Collagen Gum, also known as GumRebuilder? Before you spend your money, you might want to hear this. This product is getting a lot of attention online, mainly because of its bold claims. It says your gums are made up of 80% collagen, and that this collagen breaks down over time, leading to gum problems. According to the website, no toothpaste, mouthwash, or pill can fix this, but their product can deliver collagen directly to your gum line in just 20 seconds, twice a day. They also claim it can help you keep your teeth, avoid dentures, reduce sensitivity, and even stabilize your gum line within just a few weeks. Sounds impressive, right? But this is exactly where things start to get a little questionable. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about the reality behind these claims. The first big concern is unrealistic promises. The product suggests it can rebuild or regrow gums, which is a major red flag because gum tissue doesn't grow back easily without professional dental procedures. This is not something that a simple topical product can fix at home. Another issue is the lack of scientific proof. There are no clear clinical studies, dental approvals, or medical evidence provided to support these strong claims. When a product makes such bold promises, it should be backed by real research, but that seems to be missing here. The marketing itself also feels overhyped. Phrases like fast results, rebuilding collagen, and stopping gum recession are used to grab attention, but they don't always reflect realistic outcomes. This kind of language is very common in products that rely more on marketing than actual effectiveness. There's also no strong dentist endorsement. Most trusted oral care products are supported or recommended by dental professionals, but here, that kind of credibility is not clearly shown. When it comes to reviews, most of them appear to be on their own website, which can be biased. It's hard to find genuine feedback from real users on independent platforms, which makes it difficult to trust the overall experience. The brand itself is another concern. Erona is not a widely known or established name in dental care, so there's limited information about its reputation or reliability. You may also notice before and after images being used, but these can often be misleading or edited to look more convincing than they really are. On top of that, heavy discounts, limited time offers, and urgency tactics are used to push quick purchases, which is a common strategy in questionable products. Another thing to watch out for is the lack of clear ingredient transparency. The product talks about collagen, but it doesn't clearly explain how these ingredients actually rebuild gum tissue in a proven way. And finally, there's no real guarantee of results. Even with all the big promises, there's no solid assurance that it will actually work for everyone. So overall, while Erona Collagen Gum might sound like an easy solution, the reality is it raises several red flags. It could be more about smart marketing than real results. If you're dealing with gum issues, it's always better to consult a dentist and go for proven treatments instead of relying on products that promise quick fixes.